My video will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups related to the site currencyhelperxt.com. Currencyhelperxt.com is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. So it tries to force users into downloading certain unwanted browser extension that may actually function as a browser hijacking extension. It may change some crucial browser settings without the user's permission. If this extension was some way or another added to your Google Chrome browser, you need to definitely undertake the measures and get rid of it. Also, if you see these pop-ups, of course, do not tolerate them. Do not trust them. Do not add any extensions that they promote. Such pop-ups, in fact, could be the consequence of certain adware enabled on the computer. So what I recommend you to do is research the control panel of your system and uninstall any items that could be suspicious. If you don't find anything suspicious but still you see these pop-ups, I also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and then start examining the system. So Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and remove all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.